welcome back to Toe of the Week, my third spring look, matching those poppy seed nails I did on Monday. Check these out. Aren't those cute? Love my poppy seed nails and toes. They turned out so adorable. And as always, I can't wait for Fashion Friday's outfit of the day that matches the whole look. But anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are notified of all my videos, and definitely shoot me a thumbs up if you're enjoying them. I love you guys very much. Let's get started on this design. Everybody take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Hey everyone! So here's what I chose to go with for this week's toe design. My third beautiful spring look, matching the poppy seed nails I did on Monday. If you'd like to see how I did these, continue watching. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Toe of the Week. Doing another beautiful toe design. It's my third spring look, matching with the nails that I did on Monday. I did that beautiful French look with poppy seeds, and this is the way it turned out. If you didn't get a chance to see this, definitely check it out. I always follow then with a toe design and then a Fashion Fridays outfit of the day that'll match with a complete look. Let me show you what I'm using in today's design. It's all the same products I used in the nail design, but of course I always go over and still show you. So we did this one as my French look on the big toes there. It's called High Maintenance by Essie's. And then the yellow I'm using is Wet and Wild. It's a fast dry, and it's called the Wonder Yellows 224C. Very beautiful shimmery yellow. I love it. And then I'm going to be working with acrylic paints, all apple barrel, 50 cents from Walmart. They last a lifetime. I'm going to use that bright red for the poppy seeds, and then the yellow or the green there for the leaves. And I'm going to use the white, excuse me, to do the highlights. I'll be working with Robin Moses's brush, the wand, and it's right there. And how you order the brushes is it's robinmosesnailart.com. And they are fast, the delivery's fast, and the brushes are amazing. There it is there. And I do keep them dirty in between. She recommends you keep them dirty in between your designs. I get it, I do clean it like almost every other day, but it just keeps the bristles good, and you want to just put it in pure acetone and then just roll the brush very lightly on a cloth like that. Okay, after I get the poppy seeds on and the highlights and all that, then I will be putting in some rhinestones here, the red ones on this wheel that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll be using the red ones right there, and I will glue those down with just some nail glue I got offline. And then I will top everything off with the Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. So I am going to get started on some of these, and I will return to show you. All right, so far I have got the leaves. I'm going to do an accent toe as well, and the rest of these I'm just going to put on some red rhinestones. But let me show you. Let me draw in here. Hopefully the light's on. Yes, it is. Okay. So I'm going to draw in, we're going to dip in. I'll show you my palette again. Here's the darkest green, but I did add a little white in, and there's going to be the highlight, and then the red, and the lightest red there. That's how I'm going to be doing it. I did add a little bit of water into it. We're going to dip in. You only want to go just part way up the brush, and we're just going to, I'm going to come over to this side to do it now for the leaves, and I'm just going to set down the brush. You go to one side, go to the other, and then give it a little pull, and then we'll do another one. Kind of right next to it over here. Put it down, give it a little pull. I think I have to pull that one just a little bit more. And then I'll do a third one right here. Put the brush down to one side, then to the other, and pull. And your leaves don't all have to be the same size. That's what makes them look so beautiful. Give it a little pull like that. Okay, and then the accent toe. I'm just going to put a couple little ones here. So we're just going to do one right here like that. And then I'll put another one over on this side. And we'll just kind of put the flower right in between there. Give it a little pull at the end there. Okay, so there are the leaves. That's how we're going to be doing the leaves. And then I'm going to be highlighting those leaves. Then we're going to put the poppy seeds in. let me get some of it done and I'll be back. Okay, now I have put in the highlights. I'll draw in and show you in the big toe there. I've left this one open to show you. Just dipping into that lighter green now, and you just need a tiny little bit on your brush. And I don't know why this paint, unless I'm in the wrong spot, I don't know why there isn't that much paint here. Let's just get a little bit more here. Okay, and we're just gonna put in a highlight. Just set the brush down and go right through. Mine's wet right now, my paint, and that's okay. Just set it down and just draw that highlight into there, and then it just makes that leaf pop a little bit more. All right, now we're gonna let this dry, and we are going to work on the poppy seeds. I do need to add a little bit more into that leaf. I don't know what's going on. This leaf didn't get enough paint or something. Hang on, let me do this right here. Okay, all right, now I can actually show you. Put a little bit more of a highlight in here. So there we go. Set it down like that and add it in. Now you see it better. Hopefully you see that now. I will draw in so you can see that. There you go. That's the way I wanted it. All right, so we're gonna let those dry up and get going on the poppy seeds, and then I will return. Okay, I hope you're able to see this. I don't know why the lighting is getting so weird in here. Hopefully you can see the lighting. It just seems like it's kind of dark in here, and I've got like every light on. I don't know, maybe I'm just seeing it wrong. But there you go. There's the poppy seeds in there, and I'm going to do some on the big toe here. So let me draw in. I'm going to dip into the red, the darkest red, and we're going to start with just one off to the side here. I'll just do one right here, and we're going to do 5 petals. You just go across like that, almost like you're doing kind of a fan design. You want 5 petals, so just go like that, and then come over here and put that one in right there. There you go. And then we're going to go on to over the leaves here. Now these leaves are a little bit wet, so I'm going to be careful when I do this. So we're just going to go like this, put in a petal there, make it look more like a petal though. Then go over here, put a petal there, get a little bit more paint, and get a petal going here. Whoops. A petal going here, and one right in there. Probably a little harder to see because it's at the angle there, like that. And then I'm just gonna really quick with a smaller brush here, or can I use this? Maybe I can use this. I'm just gonna clean this brush off and just get that little dot off of paint that I put on there. We don't want that on there. Kind of clean it off. There we go. That's all quick and easy. You can get off mistakes. But there you go. There's my poppy seeds now. And the reason I'm calling it that is that's what they look like to me, is like poppy seeds. Reminded me of the Wizard of Oz poppy seed field. So I thought I would do it like that. Now I'm going to highlight my flowers and I will return. Okay, now I've got them highlighted. Left the one toe open to show you guys. We're going to dip into that lighter red now that I made. And I'm just going to go through it with a little bit of a highlight. Just set your brush down and just let it just kind of go into it. This is still kind of wet, which is great because it blends the colors better. So let me get a little bit more. And it blends them really nice, and it gives it that perfect highlight. Isn't that cute? And then it really makes them pop. I love them. I think they're just adorable. Okay, next step is the rhinestones. Let me get some of those done and I will return. Okay, now I've got the crystals in. Let me draw in and show you. Isn't that adorable? I love how the red's a shade or 2 darker, so it really makes them pop. I'm just dipping with a orange wood stick into some glue, and then I just put 1 dot in between each little flower here so I can put the little stones on. And then I'll just pick them up with the other end of the orange wood stick, and we just stick 1 right there and flip 1 over here and do the same thing. Just put the other one right there. And then we'll just give them a little push. Hopefully I'm not bumping the other ones. Like that. Isn't that adorable, you guys? I love it. It's so cute. I am going to add some on the smaller toes as well, but I just wanted to show you how I put them on. And then I will come back and just show you that. All right. Now you see I've just got one little red stone on the stone nails that are just plain yellow. I left one open for you guys. So just dip in the glue. Put a little dot of glue right there in the cuticle area. And just grab a little red stone. Pretty simple. But it does add a lot of pop and punch to this design. I think it's so cute. So I am now going to top coat everything with the Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat, and I will return to show all of you the end product. But first, I'm gonna let everything dry because you don't want your design to smudge. Alrighty, everyone, I am all done. Check out my poppy seed toenails. Aren't these cute? And check out all my new toe rings. Aren't these cute? I love this one, especially the little stones in there turn around. Isn't that cute? Love them. And then the flower one with the, I think it's got a purple stone in it. But all of them are silver. There's my rose one. All of them are done in silver, so it matches with everything. I love them. I love toe rings. And yeah, I'm really happy with them. But I am so happy with these toenails matching my poppy seed nails I did on Monday. And I am very excited, like always, to show you my Fashion Fridays outfit of the day. So, but anyways, I hope all of you guys enjoyed this look. Definitely give it a try. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next video.